Stay tuned to the end of this video where I plan to explain the giveaway attached to this video. As you can see, passion flowers are amazingly beautiful, but even more amazing than that are the symbols hidden within the flower, symbols of the Passion of Christ. Native to the southeastern United States, Central and South America, Spanish missionary priests noticed these symbols in the flower and gave it its name. Specifically, the flower comes in many different colors, but is often a red-purple color for the blood of Christ, and also when they put the crown of thorns on him, that purplish cloak that they put on him to make fun of him and mock him as the King of the Jews. More specifically, the parts that are that color are the corona filaments. Corona in Latin means crown, and they thought that this looked like the crown of thorns, looking thorny and also in a round crown shape. The second aspect is the group of 3 stigmas, which, not only being the number 3, are also in the shape of nails, the nails that pierced our Lord on the cross, of which there were 3, one in each hand and one that went through both feet. And that's really astounding if you look at it, the shape. It really does look like those nails, especially if you've seen the actual nails in Rome. The third aspect is the fact that there are 5 petals, 5 sepals, and 5 anthers, 5 each, for the 5 wounds of Christ. Of course, Christ was wounded all over his body. He had many more than 5, but he chose, after his resurrection, to have healed all of those wounds except for the 5 great wounds, the stigmata, the pierced hands, pierced side, and pierced feet. The next aspect is the roundish fruit that people often call Maypop, because a lot of children like to stomp on them and make them pop. But that round fruit represented to them and to us the world that Jesus redeemed, is the Redeemer of the whole world. So that's a lot of beautiful symbolism in one flower. It's also an amazing plant for other reasons. My family and I, we've been growing it for a long time now, not only for the symbolism especially, but also the beautiful flowers and to have tasty fruit for free that grows really easily by itself, and to bring in pollinators to the garden. The bumblebees love it. But also it has medicinal uses. So it's a sedative that's been used in traditional Peruvian medicine for a long time to treat anxiety and insomnia. In fact, an infusion of the leaves and flowers makes a safe, non-addictive tranquilizer that has antispasmodic and nervine effects that work well to treat insomnia, nervousness, neuralgia, nervous headaches, high blood pressure, and has even been used to help ADHD. You have to have some caution, just like anything else. Too much might be harmful. If you eat an entire truckload of potatoes, it's not going to be good for you. Same thing with this. Don't go overboard and drink 100,000 gallons of passionflower tea. But otherwise, it's a very safe plant to use. It's a great plant to have in your garden. And I plan to give some away. If you do 4 things, like this video, share this video, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel if you aren't already, and lastly, comment on this video. I plan to look through those comments and choose one and respond to be able to get in touch with each other, and I can send you some free passionflower seeds so that hopefully you can have these fruits and these flowers in your garden, presuming that you live in North America somewhere. So I'll send you 25 free seeds, one person who does these things as a little giveaway. So I hope that this has helped to inspire you and to see the beauty of God in his creation. God bless, et oremus pro invicem.